Hi, my name is Lisa Costello and I'm a support consultant at OSSM, and today I'm going to be showing you the file drag and drop feature that is available in NetSuite. The file drag and drop bundle allows you to attach single or multiple files from your desktop to the file drag and drop enabled file cabinet within NetSuite. You can also attach your files to a record or to a sublist line item. In this video, we will cover installation of the file drag and drop, configuration, and how to use it. Before you install the file drag and drop suite bundle, you need to go to Setup, Company, and Enable Features. Once the Enable Features window opens up, you go to the Suite Cloud tab. And then under the Suite Builder section, you need to make sure that the tick box is filled in for the Custom Records option. To install file drag and drop, you need to go to Customization, Suite Bundler, and Search and Install Bundles. In the keywords box, if you type in the bundle ID number 41309 and search. The file drag and drop bundle is free of charge and is managed by NetSuite, meaning that it is automatically updated whenever there are any changes. To install it, click on the link and then click on Install. Only account administrators can install and configure file drag and drop. After it has been installed, you can then deploy the functionality to other users in the account.